Hey Songbird, it's Kerri Ho from the Songbird and today I want to give you some tips that is going to help you to sing for a very long time but without getting tired or croaky or husky, you know, that kind of thing. And so I'm going to cover 3 do's and don'ts of how to sing to increase your vocal stamina. Let's get right in. Okay, so the very first thing is this: don't sing without warming up, but do sing with a proper vocal warm-up. So how do you actually properly warm up? Well, you want to do some body stretches, you want to do some laryngeal massage, and you want to do some really good SOVT, or what we call semi-occluded vocal tract vocal warm-ups. A couple of examples of this is your bubbles and also bubbling with a straw in water. So let me do some and then you come along with me, okay? We'll warm up together. So the first one is on a very light and gentle bubble, like this. All right, and then with the straw into the water, like this. Now, if you want to learn more about how to properly do a warm-up before you sing, please go and click on my video here. It's all about my morning routine and how I actually get my voice ready for the day. And now the second really important thing is don't just use your chest voice. Do use also your head voice. Now the reason, Songbird, that you can't just use your chest voice if you really want to be able to sing for a long time without getting tired is because when you use chest voice, your whole vocal fold muscle is coming fully together. So it's a very muscular thing that's happening here. So if you just keep doing that, the muscle will get fatigued really, really easily. But if you use your head voice as well, then we get a bit of stretch, we get the flexibility, and it's not the whole vocal fold vibrating all the time. And so you actually don't fatigue anywhere near as quickly. A really great exercise to actually help you to get into your head voice really, really easily is a zoo, zoo, zoo. It goes like this. Zoo, 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 zoo. Zoo, 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 zoo. Zoo, 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 zoo. Well done. And the third and final thing is don't push your voice too high, too hard, but do thin out your vocal folds earlier, like this. Right, notice I didn't go right, that's me just pushing my chest voice higher, which I can in this instance, but I'm choosing not to. I'm choosing to thin it out, all right? And you're gonna come with me and do the same thing. Let's go. Well done. So Songbird, I have this magical exercise that is really going to help you supercharge your vocal stamina. So if you'd like to get your hands on that, just click on the link on the description box and you can sign up for that for free right now. Hey Songbird, if you found this video helpful, it would be so cool if you could give this video a thumbs up and then subscribe to the channel to get more helpful vocal tips. And Songbird, you know that I am always believing in you.